So it's late at night, but so I'll have to be a little bit quiet, so I won't have the sound on this, but I thought I'd just show something off. Remember, I used to use the one wire trick with System 5 boards. Well, I got a little bit fed up with that, and I decided I thought I have a better solution of working on these things. So this is the second board I've been doing, the one that had the little switch fault. And can I just refer you to this? I brought the rails down. This is my little System 5 remote control. It took a long time to put this together. I was waiting for pins from Italy of all places, and it took about 6 weeks to get here. It's basically Hager's player panel plus the test and demo button. Let's go into demo. I had to put this all the way down here because the cables are a little bit short, but yeah. On retreat, and the hold buttons work as well. I've actually got some of my switches wired up wrong because it should be short hold, collect, exchange, start. But I've accidentally wired collect to the first hold, so hold buttons are here. I didn't bother with cancel, but as you can see, they all work. Okay, problem works. My ship automatically noticed. What's that? We've got one nudge now. It'd be better if the sound was on, but being late as night, I won't. Well, I'll see. It's all working well. What's that telling me? Is it treasure time or something? I'll hold that one. Hold it again. What's that asking me? Let's go raiding. Oh yeah, we're in the feature mode now. Here we go. I'll point it here now. Exchange for pot. No. Oh, I can exchange for pot here, can I? What did they give me? Oh, 80 pence. I've got 80 pence. Yeah, I'll do. I'll put the sound on another day, but basically all I did was I got some parts off eBay, some manager switches, also 2-digit LED. These are quite standard to wire up. It's the same pin for loads of different versions of them. I'll just show you if I put the reset switch on and it works appropriately. There we go. Showing reset to lock. I'll switch it back this way. It's down RAM clear. I didn't bother with the decimal point. Yeah, 72%. I've just got a wire connection up there with percentage, so test button works as well. That's a coin test. There we go. That's a real test. All works properly. Working beautifully actually. There we go. And then we go to test 3. 4, that would be the lamp test. 5, I think, display test. Yeah, there it goes. Good bit of test your displays working. Yep, working fine. 8. Yeah, all good. Obviously I can't use payouts or anything because I don't have them connected, but everything's gone. And that's this board. Tested and proven 100% apart from the sound, but I know the sound's going to work anyway. So, just one thing, don't ask me to build one of these because I only got enough parts for myself and I'd have to wait another 6 weeks to get more, but you can see what the basic idea is. If you get yourself a manual and then just work out the switch enables and selects. It's quite straightforward. I just used some 28 gauge wire, and the Molex C-grid plugs you need. The one for the LEDs is a 20-way 2x10, and then over there you've got a 36-way. What's that? 2x18, I think. 2x18. But yeah, that's all it does. It connects the switch sources to sinks, and then the display just wired to the port there, and it works. Certainly makes testing these a lot handier. And if I get bored, I know it sounds bizarre and I don't have the right reels or anything, but I could always have a game of Hacker if I want. Let's see. Oh, nudgies. Treasure time. Yeah. That's enough of that anyway. So what do you lads think? I like it. I'm glad I did it because it's going to make things a lot easier. I mean, yeah, I need to make it a little heavier, maybe put heavy feet on it or something, or put a bit of heavy card behind it to get it to sit properly on my table, because it likes to twist around at the minute. Yeah. So that board there's for Adrian, and it turned out the 4.3 error was these center diodes here. 3 of them were bust, 3 of them were shorted out, and dragging 3 of the switch lines low, which is why it was given a 4.3 error there. And it's sorted. So that's that. Alright. Bye for now. Oof.